Well, actually, that was in I think, in Sherman Oaks.
Oh.
And the actual house, I mean, 80% of all the interiors was actually shot in Micky Dolenz's of the Monkees. As it turns out, he was actually renting, I mean, selling his house. So for $1,000, I gave him a check, Micky Dolenz of the Monkees. So, so Dr. Fools, all the, the entire house was all filmed in Micky Dolenz of the Monkees, and he showed up every now and then, So it was cool.
I gotta bring up something about Micky Dolenz. So Micky Dolenz was here for a Monkees tribute, like a few back this summer. Incidentally enough, we had Lawrence David Folds here for Young Warriors and Don't Go Near the Park.
Yeah.
And my partner
and Craig worked together on Malibu High.
Oh.
Yeah.
So
at age 25 or 26, I moved out here from Minnesota, where Chris Balke Minnesota. That's where we both sit. No,
Minnesota.
it's cool.
You've got me really nervous, Craig. I'm not kidding now.
You got that right. Question.
Where did you get the inspiration to write and make this film?
Inspiration was I was after moving out here from Minnesota, I started taking a class at UCLA in low budget film production through Wayne Berwick, who actually happened to then be the director on Malibu High. So for the chorus, we all had to write a story treatment on how on doing a film. So so my story was it had to be exploitable. It had to be low budget, but enough budget to make it that you could actually produce a film and make it into theaters, which I wrote, and at the I wrote it.